Welcome, we are Bassam Hisham bin Ad Mansour Al-Ajmi. Our project title is Microwave Mode Split based technique for designing dielectric sensors. Sensors are crucial for many applications such as biomedical, industrial, and military applications. Our motivation is to introduce and prove the concept of using mode split based technique as a sensing mechanism to identify different materials in the microwave region. Our concept is to use two identical coupled resonators spaced 1 millimeter between them to be at the edge of coupling. And as we insert materials in the sensing area, the coupling between two resonators will be stronger as we increase the permittivity of materials, which result in higher mode split as we increase the permittivity. And this is how we want to identify the different materials.
We proved this sensor using ANSYS HFSS numerical simulation, and then we fabricated the sensor using PCB technology. Now we want to prove this concept with experimental result using this setup. First, we have a VNA, which is a measuring device that we'll use to obtain the sensor's response. And we have a holder to hold the resonator. We have two cables for the VNA. We have two material under test, 2.3, 9.2. We have clamps to hold the material under test as close as possible to the sensor. Finally, we have distilled water. First, we will obtain the response of the resonators with no material under test, only air. As we can see here in the VNA, the x-axis is the frequency, and the y-axis is the S21. As we can see from this response, we have a mode split shown here, which is very weak. The two dips are very close to each other. Now we want to introduce a new material to see the effect on the resonator. We have here a material with a relative permittivity of 2.3. As we can see here, the split between the two dips has increased, and this is what we expected because the coupling has increased, which will result in a stronger split. Now we want to introduce a material with a 9.2 relative permittivity, and we want to see if it proves that the split will get stronger or not. As shown here, the split got stronger because we introduced a material with higher relative permittivity, which proves that mode split can be used as a sensing mechanism. Because each material has different space, which will be used as a signature to identify the material. Now we'll introduce distilled water, which is a very high permittivity. It's above 70 relative permittivity. We want to see its effect on the sensor's response. We will put a drop of this distilled water at the edge of resonance, at the edge of the sensing area, because it's a very high permittivity. We expect to see a very large split. If we put it between the gaps, the split will be too large. The result will be unreadable. Now we put one drop of water here at the edge of the sensing area. As you can see here, the split is very large, which because we introduced a very high relative permittivity. In conclusion, we proved that mode split based technique could be used as a sensing mechanism, and it could identify solids or liquids. And we saw that as we increase the relative permittivity, the coupling between the resonators will increase, which will result in a stronger split. And we finally want to express our gratitude to Dr. Ali Al-Bishi and Mohammed Al-Sheikh for their guidance and instructions. And I want to thank King Saud University for financing this project. And thank you for your consideration.